Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I apologize in advance if my voice sounds a little off. I am recovering. I have been on and off sick for a while now and it's really annoying, so excuse my voice ahead of time. However, we are back with another wig install and today's wig is from Luvme. This is Luvme's all day curl hold, premier grade hair, shoulder length body wave, cuticle align, parting max glueless 7x6 HD lace wig with the pre-cut lace. Now I believe I have this one in 16 inches, I want to say. I'm not 100% sure, but I will link it in my description box as always. This is 100% human hair. The density is 180%. This is meant to be a nice beginner friendly glueless wig, so we love that. Again, it comes with a natural hairline. The lace is pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. Because it is a 7x6 lace closure, you can have a middle part, you can have a side part, or a C-curve part. The hair can be dyed and it can last for up to 2 years or more. So a lot of good things in regards to this unit, and as you guys can see, it looks like the perfect everyday type of wig. So as always, this is going to be a very quick and simple wig install. You guys know I like to keep things very basic over here. We do not do too much on this channel, so if you're a beginner or you just like to wear wigs to work, girl, this is the type of tutorial for you. I personally like to just keep everything simple and I like to promote the wigs as they come. So if you're telling me that this is supposed to be an easy beginner friendly wig install with no glue, then that's how I'm going to promote it. If you tell me that it's going to come pre-curled and you don't need to restyle it, then that's how I'm going to promote it. So I'm going to give you guys some close-ups per the usual. Excuse the blurs, you guys. My camera was not in focus. However, this wig does come with like the C carve out, so it fits comfortably around your ears. And I will say that Luvme has definitely made some changes or some adjustments to their wig caps, because this wig cap fit me very nicely. I didn't even have to use the additional elastic band, so I was very thankful for that. So I'm doing the same routine that I always do. I went ahead and I added some foundation on that lace, used my wax stick and my comb to get all the little hairs away from the lace. That way I have a clean space to work with, and I'm going to show you guys what that lace looks like with no product. Now this is 100% glueless wig install, you guys. I do not use lace glue whatsoever. However, I do like to use lace spray. This is me showing you guys what it looks like without the lace spray first, and then I added a little bit of lace spray off camera, and then I went in with some foundation. So the lace spray is definitely optional. That's why I wanted to show you guys what it looks like without you adding any product. That's just something that I prefer, just because I feel like it just adds a little extra oomph, you know. Okay, just like that, we are done, you guys. Did I recurl the hair? No, I did not. I left her as is. And as you guys can see, the only worry that I had as far as this wig install was just the lace, honestly. And you can't even say that was a worry. That's like the only thing that I had to do. I just had to throw her on and make sure the lace was secure and make sure she was blended, and I was good to go. So for all of my 9-to-5 girlies, a wig like this is something that you would wear every day. You know, I don't know about you guys, but I don't wear my wigs to sleep or not. They literally only go on when I'm about to go to work, and they come off when I get home from work. And also, as of lately, I've been utilizing half wigs, especially now that it's finally starting to get warmer outside and I could just go ahead and show off my curls. But when I am wearing lace wigs, these are the type of wigs that I go for. I no longer like to do, you know, the full lace frontal thing. They're cute and all. However, the everyday looking ones, the simple, quick, easy, pre-styled, pre-cut lace, pre-bleached HD, like all of that, those are my go-tos. So as always, make sure you guys go ahead and you check out my description box down below. Everything will be listed there. I am going to go ahead and lay down because this took a whole lot out of me and I am struggling to breathe right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial of the same way how I enjoyed making this tutorial for you guys. I miss you guys, and I hope that this tutorial came off very easy, because this is a very easy wig install. It took me less than 30 minutes, probably around like 15-20 minutes at that, not even. So this is a goodie, okay? Take advantage, and I always have a discount code for you guys, so make sure you guys utilize that as well. However, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate you, and I will see you guys next time.